On May 11th, a single announcement sent the price of a crypto project called SUI climbing 25% in a single day. This project was built by Mysten Labs, a team of engineers who previously worked at Meta, the company behind Facebook. While at Meta, they were developing a digital currency called DYOR. When government regulators blocked that project from launching, the engineering team took the technology they had created and released it independently as SUI. SUI uses the same code and architecture that Meta spent years and millions of dollars developing. It carries the weight of a professional, institutional-grade product that was originally intended for billions of users. SUI is a Layer 1 blockchain, essentially a ground-up expressway for digital data. While many projects rent space, SUI operates its own highway. To keep things moving, it uses parallel execution. Instead of single-file lines, multiple lanes open up, processing thousands of actions simultaneously. This setup allows the network to process activity at speeds that leave older, single-lane networks behind. By fixing the traffic jam problem at the foundation, SUI provides a stable platform for apps that need to process thousands of updates every second without slowing down or crashing. To drive on this highway, you have to pay a toll using the project's own coin, also called SUI. Currently, the total value of the tokens in the system is about $3.9 billion. There is a mathematical limit on how many coins will ever be created. The supply is hard-capped at exactly 10 billion SUI. However, only 4 billion of those coins, about 40%, are actually being traded in the market today. The remaining 60% are still locked away. As they are slowly released into the market, they create unlock pressure. If there aren't enough new buyers to absorb these coins, the extra supply can cause the price to buckle under the added weight. SUI does have a built-in storage fund that collects network fees to help balance out the release of these new tokens over time. This is the key for investors. A fast network is a great tool, but if the supply math is working against you, it doesn't always lead to a profitable trade. Looking at the actual market, SUI is currently trading for about 99 cents. This chart shows how much ground the token has lost since its peak of $5.35, which it hit back in early January of 2025. From that high point to today's price, the token has seen a drop of roughly 81%. While things are starting to look up, the market has a ceiling at $1.41. That was the high point reached during the May 11th announcement, and the price needs to break above that line to prove it's truly recovering. SUI has to prove it can push through these old barriers before it can earn back the trust of the broader market. SUI's biggest advantage is institutional support. Major investors trust it enough that you can now buy SUI through a spot ETF on the Nasdaq. That's a way for people to invest in the coin through a regular stock brokerage account, just like buying shares of Apple. The second major pro is the engineering. Those parallel lanes make it faster and more capable than many older crypto projects. On the negative side, that 60% of locked supply is a constant weight. Every time the price tries to rally, new coins entering the market act as an anchor. SUI also faces a giant rival in Solana. Both are fighting for the same group of developers and the same investment dollars. SUI has the professional pedigree and the Wall Street access. Its success depends on whether its technology can outrun its own inflation while holding its ground against its competitors. If you want to use the network, SUI is available on major exchanges like Binance and Coinbase. You can also find it on Cetus, a decentralized exchange, which is a marketplace that runs automatically on the SUI network itself. With private transactions launching soon, SUI is moving toward a much more sophisticated financial future. This video is an analysis of how the system works, not financial advice. Please do your own homework before you decide to invest. Like and subscribe to stay updated when the market moves. We'll see you in the next breakdown.